Baboon going wild. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like real fighting or play fighting?
That seems a little bit more than play.
Mm.
This one is recently brought here. The one is a male one. So maybe, oh, not. See this one?
Yeah.
This is recently brought here. Let's start with the big one.
Even the little ones are mad at him. Everyone's mad at him.
You know why this is happening?
You know the big one. The big one is the boss man here, but this one is recently brought here. So you know all these animals are captured, confiscated from the people who used to keep them as pets.
Oh, okay.
You can see that tall one is having a rope on the wrist. It has just hot. When you look at it carefully, it's been hot by the rope. The tight rope.
Oh, they tied it around his rope.
A week ago they brought this one here.
Just to, and it's another male, is it?
Yeah, it's another big male, so they always keep on, fighting for domination.
So how do they settle this then? Will one kill another, or what's going to happen?
Just keep on fighting. You see this one?
Oh yeah, I see it now.
You can see the rope. The rope is just marked on the neck. This one. You see this?
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
You see the rope? It's having a mark on the neck.
The one sitting down
Yeah.
there?
It's recently brought here.
Oh, okay.
This is recently brought here. So they are fighting for domination. And this one is always troublesome. So everybody is chasing him.
Wow, what a happy family.
This one is the big boss here.
Oh, there's a little monkey. You see my nuts? My crown nuts. Huh. Hello, little guy.
Good?
How do you give him a nut? Whoa. Oops, I dropped it. Whoa, buddy. Would you like a nut? Oh, you just take it out of my hand. Cool.